What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full clean on the Jordan 1 mochas. Peace. As you can see, he uses them pretty much weekly. So you are going to see a lot of deep stains. You're going to see that the suede is a little, well, you can tell that there's stains right over there. You can tell that there's stains all around. I'm not going to touch the laces today, just because generally nothing's really that dirty with them and there's no way to really restore these back to white. But I am going to do a cleaning on these today. So this is his pair right here. So the other one, you can tell that it's also really dirty. Just for an example, this is the dead stock pair, so these are my pair. So even if you just look at the soles, you're gonna see the color difference. I haven't even worn mine, so my suede, right? So no actual stains, but the suede is moving, that's why you see those markings. And you can see that since they're dead stock, you don't see any dirt there. But his pair, you can tell that there's a lot of stains, especially right there. The suede has some stains. So let's just jump into it. So what you want to do first, you want to get your water. Right now I'm using Jason Mark's, not a sponsored cleaner, but I always use Jason Mark's, so I don't have my Las Vegas cleaner. So what I do is I put some on here first, and we're going to start from the top down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this to the side, put the Jason Mark's here. And what I actually do is I start with the sponge. So I got this from the cleaning kits, and it really helps because you don't really want to be using a hard brush on this suede material. You don't want to ruin this, and you don't want to ruin any of the leather, even though this would work, and you don't want to ruin any of the leather. You only use this one for the soles and the bottoms. So basically what I do with this guy is I pour it onto here, and then get that quick. And then what I'll do now is I'll dip it into the water, and then, so there you go, now you got the suds. So what I'm going to do now is put everything to the side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to gently just go over the material. You're going to see the color change there. That's just because it's wet. So don't get scared when you're doing this. It's going to look like a different color. That's just because it's very wet. Make sure you get into all those places. And it's actually good that it changes color because you want to make sure you're hitting every single spot that isn't that same dark color now. Clean it all up with the sponge. Right. Make sure you get that. No stains there. You want to just make sure you hit every single spot possible. I'm going to get my cloth. Any cloth will work. I prefer nothing heavy color like a blue or a yellow, something neutral. You just want to wipe down all of the soap that's on the material. Now what you want to do, you want to focus on the bottoms here. So you want to focus on this sole. So what you want to do is you want to get your hard bristle brush, you want to dip it in the soap. If you want, you can put some solution on here as well. And then what you basically want to do is you want to scrub on this. I usually don't put too much pressure on it. I usually just let the brush do its work. So you can tell that all that dirt that was here is actually gone already. Let me put some more solution there. So. Get your towel and you want to wipe it through. now what you want to do, you want to just make sure, look, there was all dirt here. There's dirt all at the front here, all at the back. So that's actually getting dry, so that's why you're going to see that color come back to life. And you can tell that the sole, you don't see any dirt. So if you want to compare it to the other pair, that was the exact same dirt that was on the other pair. But now it's just all gone. Now if you want to be a really good friend, or if you're doing this for business, if you want to be a really good worker, you want to do the bottoms for them, you would just use the same bristle brush for it. You would just hit it really quickly. Obviously this is a black, so it's just gonna go away. Now if you do a side-by-side comparison here, you can see all that dirt that was on this guy right over here. You're not going to see it on the new pair anymore. And when we turn them around, you can totally tell that this one was clean. It's wet still, but you can tell that this one was clean. And this one, massive dirt marks everywhere. So now what you want to do is you want to do the exact same thing you did for this one on the second pair, obviously, so they match together. Alright guys, I got some technical difficulties, so my stand broke for my tripod. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this pair and then show you the result. Guys, it's gonna about end it up with my video. If you like this kind of content, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and let me know what shoes you guys want me to clean next. Peace.